Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by running the screen resolution changer as an administrator so changes apply system-wide. Once launched, make sure to back up your current profile, note resolution, refresh rate, and scaling. Now select the physical display you want to modify. You may see multiple outputs. Pick a preset close to your goal, or choose a custom option to type exact values. This prevents surprises and lets you revert quickly if the new settings behave oddly. Once you have the target selected, enter the exact width and height in pixels and pick the refresh rate in HC. This ensures the display runs correctly. Make sure to set scaling intentionally, 100% for sharpness, higher for legibility, because scaling and resolution interact. Apply the change in test mode if the changer offers it, and watch the countdown. If you see glitches or black screens, the automatic rollback restores your previous profile, so you can adjust. After the test succeeds, save the new profile and mark it default for that monitor so settings persist across restarts. Then verify with typical apps and videos to confirm aspect ratio, color, and UI scaling look right. Make incremental tweaks if text or elements appear off. If things go wrong, revert to your backup, boot into safe mode to remove problematic profiles, and update GPU drivers. These steps solve 9 out of 10 compatibility problems and get you back to a stable display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.